Welcome to Best Productly. 5 Best Car Vacuum Cleaner in 2021. We are going to check out top 5 best car vacuum cleaner in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this car vacuum cleaner, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
Vaclife Handheld Vacuum, Hand Vacuum Cordless with High Power, Mini Vacuum Cleaner Handheld powered by Li-ion Battery Rechargeable Quick Charge Tech, for home and car cleaning, black and orange. Cordless design, this handheld vacuum free your movement for cleaning your stairs, kitchen, car or hard to reach corners with no cable. And this hand vacuum is also lightweight and portable enough to help you clean everywhere easily. Improved HEPA filter, our hand vacuum cleaner features a stainless steel HEPA filter which is exquisite workmanship with long durability. It can be washed for much more times than paper filter.
Top 4.
BLACK+DECKER Flex Car Vacuum, 12V corded, BTH 1200 FVAV, iron red. Cleans vehicle dust, dirt and debris. Vacuums hard to reach areas such as underneath and in between car seats. 12V adapter fits into a cigarette lighter socket. Dust bowl capacity, 19 ounce. Patented motor in the filter technology allows the hand vac to be ultra compact.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
Armor All, AA255, 2.5 gallon 2 peak HP wet dry utility shop vacuum. 2.5 gallon polypropylene tank. 2 peak HP motor. 10 feet cord with cord wrap. Blower function easy conversion. Onboard accessory and hose storage.
Top 2.
Portable car vacuum cleaner, high power corded handheld vacuum W/16 foot cable, 12V, best car and auto accessories kit for detailing and cleaning car interior. Keep your car professional level clean. No more crumbs, dust or dirt. With our This Works portable car vacuum cleaner you'll be free of any wet or dry messes, even liquids, cigarette ashes or pet hair. Powerful yet tiny. Our handheld vacuum weighs only 2.4 pounds but has a high power, 106W and 8.8 amps motor and metal turbine for the ultimate suction power. The 16 feet power cord connects to the car's 12V lighter port, for maximum coverage.
Top 1.
Car Vacuum, Cordless Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner High Power 150W/7500 pascals for car interior cleaning with wet or dry for men women, 14.7 feet corded. A professional deep cleaning vehicle tool. Use the car vacuum to save your time and money to get professional cleaning results every time. Strong suction. 150W powerful motor, RPM up to 32,000 rounds min. The car vacuum provides strong suction to clear your car of dust, hair and other debris easily. Multi-angle and long-distance extension. It comes with a 14.7-foot power cord and a variety of extension pipes to reach every spot of your car.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.